Another neat little trick I thought I'd share with y'all, some old school farm boy fabrication knowledge on how to make a mosquito fogger, basically for free, using nothing but a beer can, a little bit of steel wool, and some burnt motor oil. What you're going to do is get yourself an old can, either beer can, Coke can, whatever kind of can you desire or find. Fill it up to about the ridge here with oil. You don't want to fill it all the way to the top. Then get a piece of steel wool, soak it in oil, burnt motor oil, and put that down inside the can. And that's going to be your wick. And what I found out is it generally keeps mosquitoes away for about a 10 to 12 foot radius. I mean, you can use vegetable oil and things like that. It just doesn't seem to work as good, I've found out. But that's the tip. Hope it helps.